Hola, Bainhira, I'm Lydia. Welcome back to my channel. Alright everyone, so today we're learning about question words in Tetun. As you can see here, there are Tetun and English version as well. So let's have a look on Tetun version first. So let's start from the question word Saida. Saida, sa. So in Tetun we use Saida for asking about things. In sa, we use it for asking about names. And in English, it is what. For nebe, we use for asking about place, location. And in English, where. And another one, Bainhira. Bainhira. So we use Bainhira for asking about the time, event. And in English, when. And then ida nebe. So ida nebe. We use ida nebe for asking about options. Options. And in English, which. And se. Se. So se we use for asking about people or a person. And in English, who. Who. And Sé-nian. We use Sé-nian for asking about the owner of a things. So in English, whose. Whose. And then Oinsá. Oinsá. So this question word we use for asking about the method or the way. So in English, how. How. And Tanbasá. Tanbasá. So we use Tanbasá for asking about reason. Reason. And in English, why. Why. And the last one, Hira. Hira. We use it for asking about the price of something or the quantity. For in English, how much, how many. Okay, read together. Saida, sa, nebe, nebe, Bainhira, ida nebe, se, Sé-nian, Oinsá, Tanbasá, Hira. Okay, one more time. Saida, sa, nebe, Bainhira, ida nebe, se, Sé-nian, Oinsá, Tanbasá, Hira. Okay, so for the next, we're moving to the examples. Okay, so now we're going to have a look on the example of Saida, sa, nebe, and Bainhira. I hope that you still remember these question words in Tetun. So, Saida means what? Sa also means what? So, Saida is for asking for things, and sa asking for names. Okay? And nebe, it's about place, location. And Bainhira, it's about times, events happened, and yeah. Okay, so let's look the example of Saida first. O minha cor favorito, Saida? O minha cor favorito, Saida? Which means that, what is your favorite color? And the next, sa. Itabot nianaran sa. Itabot nianaran sa. Which means that, what is your name? And the next, nabe. Imi ba nabe? Imi ba nabe? Which means that, where are you going? Bainhira. Klezwa niniatinan Bainhira. Klezwa niniatinan Bainhira. Which means that, when does Klezwa's birthday? Okay, so for the next, we're going to have a look on examples of idanabe, Sé-nian or Sé-nian, and Oinsá. Okay, so let's have a look on idanabe. So idanabe, we're talking about options. Sé, about people. Sé-nian or Sé-nian, it's about the owner. And Oinsá, it's about the method or the way. Okay, good. So let's have a look on idanabe. Idanabe. Saya idanabe mag-Augusta. Saya idanabe mag-Augusta. Which skirts do you like? Sé. Itabot ne sé. Itabot ne sé. Who are you? Sé-nian or Sé-nian. So, Sé-nian pasta magne. Sé-nian pasta magne. Pasta ne Sé-nian. Pasta ne Sé-nian. Which means that, whose bag is it? Oinsá. Oinsá mag ni hakerek ni nia história konaba Korea. Oinsá mag ni hakerek ni nia história konaba Korea. How does she write her story about Korea? Okay, so now let's look at the other three examples. So now we're moving to the last examples of the question words, Tanbasá and Hira. So there are three examples. So one is about Tanbasá and another two is about Hira. So let's look at the first one. Let's look at Tanbasá. Tanbasá mag lilidehang adeus. Tanbasá mag lilidehang adeus. Why does Lily say goodbye? Now we're moving to Hira. Estudante Hira mag iha klase larang ne. Estudante Hira mag iha klase larang ne. How many students in this classroom? O sang Hira mag milenio precisa. O sang Hira mag milenio precisa. How much money does Milenio need? So these are the examples of question words in Tetun. So that's the end of today's lesson. I hope that you learned something from this channel, especially about the question words in Tetun. And if you like this video, please give thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to follow and like the Facebook page of Aprende Tetun Lydia. Until next time!